Hello friends, today we are going to talk about different ways of scaling an application. So let's get started. So there are two types of scaling. One is horizontal scaling and second is vertical scaling. Horizontal scaling is also known as scaling out and vertical scaling is also known as scaling up. So let's dive deep into it. Horizontal scaling. So in horizontal scaling, we scale by adding more machines. So let's say your application is running on one machine at the moment. You scale your application by adding more machines of similar configuration. So let's say you have a web application and now your traffic is going to increase by 10 times. What you will do is you will put up uh, put up machines of similar configuration and put all these machines under a load balancer. The load balancer will take care of distributing your traffic equally across your machine's cluster. So this is called as horizontal scaling. Horizontal means you just increase the number of machines. Okay. The most important thing is you need to deploy the same code base on all those machines. Yeah, otherwise it may behave differently. So in horizontal scaling, you can visualize in the image. Yeah, we just put the machines horizontally on the ground. Okay, that's the easy way to remember this. This is a cost-effective way because as compared to vertical scaling, the other type of scaling that we are going to see, this is cost-effective because we are just adding up more machines of similar configuration. These machines are having a very low configuration. They are having a low power. Low power means not a very high power. Okay, these machines are not that costlier. Okay, we are just adding the more machines of smaller configuration. Hence, this is a cost-effective way. Um, this scaling type is easier to manage than the vertical scaling. Let's now go to vertical scaling. In case of vertical scaling, we scale our application by increasing the power of your existing servers. So power means the RAM, then CPU, and then the hardware capacity, right? So currently your application is utilizing, let's say, a machine of 10 GB. Okay. You will increase or you will scale your application by increasing the RAM of your machine. You make it 50 GB and then it will be able to handle more traffic, right? The problem is these machines are very costly. A machine of 10 gigabyte is cheaper than a machine of 50 gigabyte. But this 50 gigabyte machine is, it is definitely costlier, but it is it is very high cost. You cannot imagine. Okay. So that's why, as I said in the previous slide, you can buy 5 machines of 10 gigabytes that is going to be cheaper than one machine of 50 gigabyte. Okay. That's why this vertical scaling is not a cost effective way. Then this scaling type is difficult to scale as compared to horizontal scaling. Why? Because ultimately there comes a hardware limit. Okay, you cannot just put 100K traffic to a single server. Yeah, there comes a hardware limit at the end. So the conclusion is you need to prefer horizontal scaling than a vertical scaling. I hope you get some idea about different scaling types from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.